make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that you can make money with. So for this method, we will need two accounts, a Pinterest account and an Amazon Associates account. So to create your Amazon Associates account, you just type in your search bar Amazon Associates, and then you will be able to create your account in minutes. After that, you will wait from 24 hours to 48 hours for your account to be approved. After it's approved, you type in amazon.com and you sign in with the email that you created your Amazon Associates account with. And after that, you will see this gray bar in the top, and this gray bar will allow you to get affiliate links from here. You just click on text and you can get the affiliate link that will take you to the same page that you're on that time. So I hope everything is clear on this, on the creating of Amazon Associates account. So let's go back to pinterest.com, and after getting the affiliate links, we will need pinterest.com to promote those links. So to promote those links, we need to choose a niche. So for today's video, I'm going to choose professional organizing and productivity niche. So I will hit enter to see the viral posts on this niche, and I will take ideas and inspiration, and I will go to create my own posts on canva.com. But in this video, I don't want to make the video very long, so I'm just going to copy and paste other creators' posts. I don't advise you to do that because Pinterest will deactivate your account if you take other creators' posts. So I advise you to be creative and create your own posts. So with that being said, let's look for a post that is good to re-upload. So I'm just doing this for example, guys. Let's go with productivity gadgets and let's see what we can find. Let's see if we can find a good product that we can promote. So this is a pretty good product right here. So it's a very good product. We can choose that, or we can scroll if you can find anything else, something like this. But let's go with that one. Let's see this one also. This is a video. We cannot download a video from Pinterest. It's an image. So let's see what else do we have. So let's go with this one. We click on it. So as I said, you can download this video. So let's go back and let's click on this image. We can take this image, we can download it, download image. And to create our own post, we click on create and click on create idea pin, open link in new tab, and we'll proceed to create our own post. So we'll take the image and then we'll take the title from the post. As I said, guys, I'm doing this just because I don't want to make the video very long. Don't follow me and steal other creators' posts, because that will deactivate your account. And then we will take the description, copy and paste. Then we proceed to add in a link. So we will see if we can find this product on amazon.com. So its name is a timesheet is a compact disc gadget. So let's see if we can find it. Timesheet. So let's see if we can find the exact same product. Let's go with productivity timer, and let's check the best sellers. We can find it on there. So let's go with the best sellers. Best sellers, and as you can see, this is the best sellers in this niche. So let's see if we can find the exact same one as this product. If not, I will just choose a good one, and for you I advise you to choose the exact same product as the one you promoted. So you want to build trust with your audience. So let's choose this one, which is the Amazon choice. After choosing the product, it's for a good price. We will get a decent commission if someone buys this product from our affiliate link. So we wait for the product to be uploaded. Then we'll go to text and take the link that will take us to this page, drop it on the link place, and then we will head to the most important step, which is adding tags. So guys, make sure you don't forget this step, because it's very important. It will help your post to show to a lot of people, and it will also help you reach the right audience you're looking for. So let's start by typing our keywords like productivity, time management, productivity. So make sure to select as much tags as you can. It's unlimited. You can select as much as you can find. Let's go also with Pomodoro, which is a very famous technique, and it appears we don't have any tags by that name. Let's go with time management, timing. Let's go with timing. So we can't find much tags in this niche. So I think, guys, you get the idea. Just choose as much tags as you can and then hit publish, and your post will be created. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.